sabay natin ipagsigawan sa buong mundo ang Ultimate Pinoy Pride ng Philippine Television. Sabay-sabay tayo. Welcome to ASAP! I love it!
Pamilya, we've got the biggest Pinoy movies, teleseries, concerts, and all the hottest superstars in one super celebration!
That's right, Bea. Ito na ang pinakamagpit, ang pinakamaangas, at ang pinaka-super!
Kaya naman, kapamilya, get ready as we unleash the best super dance ever!
With music from the Super Dance 2 album composed by Gab Valenciano, Move!
It is time to move with the country's finest Pinoy dance crews. We give you
XP Jensen, Amplify the Hip Hop, Velasco Brothers,
Filipino Island Assassin, Voice Unlimited, and DX10.
dahil dito sa ASAP XP, we don't just dance, we
Super Dance!
Hoy, sample pa lang yun. Akala niyo ba yun na yun? Hindi lang yun yun. Grabe talaga. Iba ang ASAP XB magsimula ng programa.
Nagustuhan niyo ba yun?
Nagustuhan nila.
Nagustuhan niyo ba yun?
Alam mo kung bakit nila nagustuhan yun? Dahil
Bakit?
yan ang move from the hottest Super Dance 2 album composed by none other than Gab Valenciano!
Nagpo-produce ang mga artista dito sa ASAP XP at sumasayaw katulad ni Bong We Miss You.
Sampol!
Gusto nyo talaga!
Go!
Hindi, mamaya ako magsasample para sa inyo lahat.
Oy,
Para
alam
sa inyo
niya,
lahat.
welcome back natin si Bong. Ang tagal niyang nawala.
Alam niyo guys, teka lang ha, na-miss ko kayong lahat. Sobra. Especially, na-miss ko kayo.
Halika na. Dito na kami malapit. Iwan namin kayo dyan.
Uy, balitaan mo kami kasi ang Showtime pumunta ng Amerika. May good
Oo,
news kayo.
sa mga TFC subscribers, especially San Francisco, maraming salamat po. Atin ang kilig nyo po ang Showtime sa San Francisco.
Yes,
Alright.
at eto na. Since we're speaking of Showtime, it's about to start the show dahil dito sa ASAP XP, taas mo namin ipinagmamalaki ang tunay na galing ng mga Pinoy.
Of course, dahil ang Pinoy kahit saan man at kahit kailan mananatiling idol and will always be the #1.
Tama! Gaya ng pagmamahal natin sa lahat ng kapamilya natin dito sa Pilipinas at saan mang mundo.
Kaya naman, ang buong ABS-CBN at ASAP kapamilya ay bilib na bilib sa mga Pinoy!
Yes, and today we salute the Filipino talent as we give you only the best.
That's right, Eric. It's super dancing like you've never seen before. And again, with live music from Mr. Homer Flores and the band, together with the UP Voices.
Amplified Hip Hop, Philippine Island Assassin, XB Jensen, and the G-Force.
We give you your ASAP Kapamilya!
What you say? That you only meant well, and 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, because we did. What you say? That it's just the one we need. That it is. What you say? What did she say? Falling out your mouth. This week on newspaper, I got it. No feeling, now I don't think I feel you.